Today's medical-centric topic is nocturnal sniffles, understanding why allergies get worse at night. Many allergy sufferers find that their symptoms worsen at night, which can disrupt sleep and affect overall quality of life. This guide explores the reasons behind the exacerbation of allergy symptoms in the evening and provides strategies for managing them effectively. Why allergies worsen at night. Several factors contribute to the intensification of allergy symptoms during nighttime, including 1. Pollen levels. Even though pollen levels are generally higher during the day, they can still remain elevated at night, especially on days with high pollen counts. Windy conditions during the day can also lead to increased pollen dispersion in the evening. 2. Positioning. Lying down can cause congestion to worsen due to pooling of mucus in the sinuses and nasal passages. This positioning makes it more difficult to breathe and can exacerbate nighttime symptoms. 3. Cooling air. Cooler nighttime temperatures can make the air in your bedroom drier, which can irritate mucous membranes in the nasal passages and throat. 4. Dust mites. Bedding can harbor dust mites, common allergens that thrive in warm, humid environments. As you spend more time exposed to these allergens in bed, symptoms can naturally worsen. 5. Pet dander. If pets are allowed in the sleeping area, pet dander can accumulate on bedding and furniture, exacerbating allergy symptoms throughout the night. 6. Mold spores. Mold prefers humid environments, which can be more prevalent in certain homes at night, especially in bedrooms that lack proper ventilation. Strategies to alleviate nighttime allergy symptoms. Maintain clean bedding. Wash sheets, pillowcases, and blankets regularly in hot water to reduce dust mites and pet dander. Use allergen-proof covers. Encase pillows, mattresses, and box springs in dust mite-proof covers. Keep pets out of the bedroom. To minimize exposure to pet dander, keep pets out of the sleeping area. Manage indoor humidity. Use a dehumidifier to maintain indoor humidity at a level that discourages dust mites and mold growth, ideally between 30 to 50%. Install high-efficiency air filters. Use HEPA filters in your air conditioning system to trap pollen, dust, and other allergens. Shower before bed. Remove pollen and other allergens from your hair and skin before going to bed to reduce their transfer to your bedding. Elevate your head, helping to prevent mucus from pooling in your sinuses. Consider nasal rinses. Using a saline nasal rinse before bedtime can help clear nasal passages of allergens and irritants. Understanding the factors that make allergies worse at night is crucial for taking steps to minimize their impact. By implementing the above strategies,
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.